Your code compiles, tests pass, but something still feels off. That feeling has a name. A code smell is a surface indicator in your source code that suggests a deeper problem with its design or structure. It's not necessarily a bug. Your code might still run perfectly, but the way it's written hints that something could become a serious problem later. Think of it as a warning light on your dashboard. Here's the critical distinction. A bug breaks your program. It produces incorrect results or crashes. A code smell doesn't break anything, at least not right away. Code may run fine and still be full of smells. They're patterns that experienced developers recognize as risky, likely to cause problems when the codebase needs to grow or change. Common examples include long methods that try to do too much, duplicate code copied across multiple places, large classes with too many responsibilities and magic numbers, mysterious numeric literals with no explanation in the code. When you identify a code smell, the solution is refactoring, restructuring your code without changing what it actually does. The concept was popularized by Martin Fowler and Kent Beck in Fowler's book Refactoring, which catalogues dozens of specific smells and how to fix each one. Code smells are design warning signs that may need refactoring. Even when code still works, spot them early. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.